Alright, hello everyone, we're back with a new video. We're going to try something new today. We're going to be unboxing the Xbox Series S. We already opened the box, but we haven't actually opened the box where the Xbox is in. Now this is one of the new next-gen consoles. You have three. You have the Xbox Series S, Xbox Series X, and the PlayStation 5. Now the new consoles are going to be the new evolution of gaming, and they're gonna help a lot. This one has 120 FPS, but when you open it, it's gonna have 60 FPS. You're gonna have to go to your Xbox settings and set it to 120 FPS if that's what you want. It's better for when gaming, so if you're like me and you don't like having the slow internet or anything, you can see when the opponents come so you don't get like triggered for something you didn't see. Now, the Xbox Series S, it does not allow any discs, so you can't buy anything new for it, like any disc for it. It's only digital, so all your games are going to come from the Microsoft Store that are inside the Xbox. It has 512 gigabytes, and it's a pretty nice box. You can see that there's a new controller over here, the Xbox Series S over here. If you turn around, it gives you all these things about the HDR, the disc-free gaming, so that's what I was talking about. Gaming to 120 FPS, Xbox Velocity. Now, if you turn around, it's going to show you all these things that you can do, or all the games that it has. It has all. You can also play all the old Xbox games, not just the Xbox, just the new ones. You can also play the Xbox 360, the very first Xbox, the black one. So yeah, let's open this. Now, as you can tell, this is going to be the first time we ever open the box. It's going to be pretty hard to open. Oh, there's one more tape over here. And no, there's not. We lost it. Alright, we gotta try opening this. It's kind of tricky. Oh, found it. It's right here in this little corner. Man, this is hard. Oh, well, I broke the box. Well, we're not gonna need that, so might as well. It's already damaged by the box. So let's see. Let's open it for the first time. And there's another tape. Yay. And it's over here this time. Same corner. Alright. Now hopefully it opens. Yep, there you go. Oh, okay. So that is small. Power your dreams, everyone. Power your dreams. Okay, that doesn't come out. Oh, man. Alright, let's open this. Now this, we don't want to damage at all. This is something we don't want to damage. Now, as you can see, there's nothing so you can insert your disc. Usually it'd be right here, but not this time because it's disc free. So this is where this is, instead of having it on the side over here, whenever you want to link your controller to a new Xbox, instead of having it over here, you can have it right here. So you just hold it and your controller turns on at the same time. I guess this one you have to stand up like this. You have the air thing right here, all the cables in the back, the HDMI cable, power cable, and the rest USB cables. And yeah, storage in back. Storage, I guess. Whatever these two do. So yeah, this is a new Xbox. It's gonna be the next gen of gaming. I can't wait to play on it, not get killed immediately. Hopefully this improves my gaming. So yeah, this is brand new, first opened. Now, I don't know if there's anything else inside the box besides this, which tells you all the stuff that it has. There's nothing in the back, the controller. So yeah, there's something in here. Yep, here it is, the controller. Now the controller has new things as well. You have the 3 buttons, the 3 brand new buttons, and if you're like me, you have when you want to record something awesome you did, but you like press the button too late or whatever, or you have to like press the home button, press X or whatever, press Y, do screenshot, press X. Instead, there's the start button, and then there's this button, which I have no idea what it's called, but you can use it, I guess. This is to take pictures and to record your gaming moments. So if you press it one time, you get the screenshot, but if you hold it, I'm not sure how long you have to hold it, but if you hold it, you're gonna get the recording of what you just did. It's like all the Xbox controllers, but it's so much better. It feels so comfortable. Now they upgraded the D-pad, so instead of it having an Elite controller, it's like the Elite controller. So they upgraded it, so it's not just like the 4 buttons over the side. You have it round, so instead of needing to reach over, you could just like that, because that's what I do sometimes. The buttons feel nice. You have the cable, so you can hook up your earphones, any earphones you have, as long as it has the cable at the end, you can hook it up. Never use this, so I don't know what that does. The batteries go in the back, unless you have a rechargeable battery that they sell at Target, Walmart, anywhere, Best Buy. You can hook it back there, so you just need batteries for that. So that's the new controller with the new Xbox Series S. One of these are the HDMI cable. This is the power on. Yep, so this means this is the HDMI cable. Nope, this is not the HDMI cable. One of these are the HDMI cable. So yeah. Maybe in the future we're probably going to show you a video of how the Xbox looks, how the gaming is or anything, the instructions for it. So as you can see, all the instructions. Yeah, I'm not going to read this right now. I think you guys can get bored by reading this. Yeah, I'm not going to read that to you guys. There's something in here. Look at that. They're very friendly that they even gave you 2 batteries so you don't have to go out. Like, you don't want to go out just to get 2 batteries or a pack of batteries. So you have the 2 batteries so you can play as soon as you connect it. So these are for this. Not for your Xbox, so don't put it anywhere in there so you don't break it. The HDMI cable or the power cable. And yeah, that's it. Well, it tells you. So look. Put the batteries back there. I guess you guys already know that. So this is the new Xbox Series X. Now if you have any problems with it, you can always search it up online. I suggest 120 FPS, but you have to make sure that your TV or anything you use, because some TVs don't allow 120 FPS. Make sure you're able to do that. And you also, I'm gonna let you know right now, some games are not able to have 120 FPS connected to it. But you have like Rainbow Six Siege, you have Halo, you have the new Warzone of Call of Duty. You have Rocket League. I believe Rocket League has 120 FPS connected. And if you don't know what FPS means, it's frames per second. So yeah, guys, this is a new Xbox console. Brand new, out, just opened, all of that. No, you guys did not miss anything. This is everything that's here. If you guys have any questions, comment below. If you enjoy what I just did, opening the Xbox Series S, just link down. You're gonna hit the like button, subscribe. We're gonna be doing more openings of like shoes or anything. So if you want to watch more of those, just subscribe so you can see them. Put the bell button so you can get all the new videos. And if you haven't seen any of my old videos, I'll link them down below so you can see them. I'll just have a link to a playlist saying all videos. So if you want to watch any of my old videos, it's skateboarding and playing a game called Frag on mobile. So we're gonna bring you skateboarding videos. Hopefully we're gonna bring you more unboxing, that's for sure. We're gonna bring you shoes, not technology. So the shoes are gonna be pretty cool. So yeah, guys, don't forget to hit subscribe and press the notification button. All right, see you guys later.